यस मैम, आपकी आवाज आ रही है।
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Thank you. So let's start. It's a long topic. We won't wait. So 5 years plan. I hope you are ready with your pen and paper. So just try to note down the points. This is from my personal notes. I am whatever I am delivering the lecture today. So try to note down the exact points. Just don't try to note down all sentence construction and everything. Then it will be very lengthy. So because already it's a very huge one. So we need to have a look at this, because I think in 2023 December there is a match the following first plan, second plan, third plan, and there is other option on the other column, and they are asking that which plan focus on which one. And I think in 24 also there is this question from planning commission. So there is one or two questions you are getting from planning commission. So we have to cover it, guys. There is no other option. We cannot skip. So let's get started. So it started the planning commission. It established in 1950, and the chairman was K.C. Neogy, Neogy. So this is the basic you have, and then it started from 19 established in 1950, and it continued till 2014, though Narendra Modi dissolved it in 2014 14, and but it is supposed to continue till 2017. Okay, so later in 2015 1st January it is replaced by Niti Aayog. So this is the basic, and the idea of a 5 years plan is borrowed from Russia. If I'm not wrong, 2021 question. Where is this idea of 5 years plan is borrowed from? It's borrowed from Russia. So whatever I'm going to say, among those 12 plans, there are three breaks in 5 year plans. Okay, so I will try to keep the sequence alive. So let's see. Let's get started with the first plan. So it started from 1951 to 1956. Focus is reconstruction and development after independence. Guys, remember the first plan's focus is actually agriculture, reconstruction of agriculture. Agriculture word plays a very huge role here. The column I said match the following. There is also this option first plan, and there is one option in the other column mentioning agriculture. So that will be the right answer. So remember this one first plan, and the focus is construction of the agriculture and development after independence. And there are establishment of 5 new IITs. Just note down 5 new IITs under first plan. Establishment of UGC, another important one, and then concentrate on agricultural development, as I already mentioned, increasing production of food grains. Okay, and the model is prepared by Harrod Domar. Okay, Harrod hyphen Domar. So Harrod is HARROD hyphen Domar, DOMAR. Just remember this much. Not the full name is necessary. So the target growth is 2.1 and actual growth achieved is 3.6. This is also necessary. Okay. So I'm just repeating one more time. If you missed anything, just have a look. So first plan year is 1951 to 1956. Focus is reconstruction of the agriculture and development after independence. 5 new IITs establishment, then establishment of UGC, and increasing production of food grains, and the model followed Harrod and Domar, and the target growth is 2.1 and actual growth is 3.6. Next, second plan. So this is going to be lengthy. 1956 to 61. Okay, and the main focus is industrialization. Main focus on industrialization with emphasis on heavy industries, lowering agricultural priority. Mention this very importantly. So it's focused on industrialization with emphasis on heavy industries, lowering agricultural priority. So earlier the focus is agriculture. So this time they reduced that priority and focused on industrialization with emphasis on heavy industries. Panchayat Raj system activated in this under this plan. This is also another PYQ previous year question. Under which plan Panchayat Raj activated? So it is second plan. 1956 to 61. First implemented in the state of Rajasthan. Inaugurated by Nehru on 2nd October 1959 in Nagpur district. Okay, this is the second. The first is implemented in Rajasthan, second is Nagpur, October 1959. And then in Andhra, 1959. So, and later in 1992, through 73rd and 74th Amendment, Panchayat Raj system was constitutionalized. Okay. So consider to become a part of constitution, Panchayat Raj system waited from 1959 to 1992. Under 73rd and 74th Amendment, in 1992, it is finally gets its place under the constitution. So Article 40 has provision for organizing panchayat at village level. Okay. So this much information is enough. And as I already mentioned, I'm repeating again, focus is on the industrialization with emphasis on heavy industries. So, and the model followed P.C. Mahalnabis. P.C. Mahalnabis, Mahalnobis. And rapid industrialization, heavy and basic industries, as I already mentioned. So target growth was 4.5 and achieved growth was 4.3. So and this is the first time when our country opted for mixed economy. This is also another question. Mixed economy opted under which 5-year plan? It is second. The answer will be second. And then manufactured industrial goods to develop public sector. Huge imports through foreign loans, established socialistic pattern of society as goal of economic policy. So society को ही ऐसा बना दिया कि इनका mentality हो गया कि you have to earn, like economic policy has to be the goal. So price rise up to 30%. Okay. Another important point under second plan. It's steel plant established in Durgapur, Rourkela and Bhilai. So these 3 steel plants, which is I think one of the earliest steel plants in India, they get established under second plan, second 5-year plan. So Durgapur, Rourkela and Bhilai. So Atomic Energy Commission established in 1957 under second 5-year plan. Atomic Energy Commission. Okay. Tata Institute of Fundamental Research. This is also established under second 5-year plan. So this plan, it plans to include substantial investment in iron, steel, coal, heavy engineering, machine building, heavy chemicals, cement industries. So this is the target industries. Okay, I'm repeating once more. Iron, steel, coal, heavy engineering, machine building, heavy chemicals and cement industries. So this is the basic of second 5-year plan, and this much information will be enough. Next, we will move to the third one. So third one is 1961 to 1966 under leadership of Nehru, and the deputy chairman was D.R. Gadgil. Gadgil. That's why this third 5-year plan is also known as Gadgil Yojana. Remember this one. There is a question, which plan is known as Gadgil Yojana? I think in 2020. Okay. So this third 5-year plan, it's known as Gadgil Yojana. And its focus on independent economy, agriculture and improvement in the production of wheat. Mention this one. It is focusing on the independent economy, agriculture, improvement in the production of wheat. So because under this plan we will get, later I will tell you, we will get the green revolution, that's why the production of wheat is extremely important under this plan. So but something else is also important, so you need to note them first, and then under green revolution section I will tell you everything. So this plan was affected due to drought and Sindhu India War 1962 and Indo-Pak War 1965. So this plan gets affected. Okay. So it is also another question, which plan faced 2 wars consecutively. So it will be the third plan. That makes this plan extremely important from UGC NET point of view. So this is the plan that faced, gets affected due to drought, Sindhu India War 1962 and Indo-Pak War 1965. So it's actually tried to establish self-reliant and self-generating economy, specifically in food grain. This is the target. So this model was prepared by S. Chakravarti and Professor Seti. Okay, I'm repeating again, S. Chakravarti and Professor Seti, S-A-D-D-Y. So, but this plan was a great flop. So total growth is 5.6% and achieved growth is 2.4%. Okay. So this was exposed the weakness in our economy and shifted the focus to defense industry, to Indian Army and the stabilization of the price. But India witnessed inflation for the first time. Sorry, not inflammation, it's inflation for the first time. So the Green Revolution, as I mentioned earlier, 1965 was part of the third plan and continued into the subsequent plans. So introduced new agricultural technologies, practices to increase productivity, ensure food security. So this is the target of Green Revolution. Okay. And one more important thing is that though Green Revolution started under the Ministry of Food and Agriculture chairmanship, under the chairmanship of Subramaniam, Dr. Subramaniam, in 1965, Lal Bahadur Shastri was the Prime Minister. So though it comes under the third five-year plan, but it's not under the leadership of Nehru. It's under the leadership of Lal Bahadur Shastri. Okay. So anyway, so the father of Green Revolution in India is M.A. Swaminathan. So just remember this much and that will be enough. Okay. Another more important point is that under the Green Revolution, they used actually Mexican wheat, So it led increase in food grain production in Punjab, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. So this much information is enough. Just remember it introduces high yielding Mexican wheat seeds for the production of wheat. And the most, that gets a good effect of this Green Revolution is the states of Punjab, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. So next, what we see is that from 1966 to 69, there is no plan, okay? Due to, devaluation of Indian rupee. So to boost exports, along with inflationary recess led to the postponement of the fourth plan. So for almost 4 years or 3 years, there is no plan. 1966 to 69. So it is also known as Plan Holiday. So you can just note this. So as I mentioned earlier, that there are 3 breaks under this 12th plan. Okay, the first break is from 1966 to 69 due to devaluation of rupee. So the fourth plan, 1969 to 74. Okay, the model is prepared by Ashok Rudra and A.S. Mane, M-A-N-N-E. So they prepared this plan. And the focus is growth with stability and progressive achievement of self-reliance. Okay, so this is the focus. I'm repeating again, growth with stability and progressive achievement of self-reliance. So they often ask regarding this focus of the particular plan. So remember this, and the target growth is 5.7 and the achieved growth is 3.3. Again, another flop plan. So the leadership is leadership of Indira Gandhi. Okay. So the two main objectives, which I already mentioned, growth with stability and progressive achievement of self-reliance. These are the two main objectives. So it again gets affected by Indo-Pak War 1971. Okay. So this plan was lodged under the, pressure of drought, devaluation, inflationary recession, population explosion and multiple whatnot. So this plan has to be a big flop. So it gets flopped. Next, we will see the fifth plan. So it's from 1974 to 78. And the focus is mainly on Garibi Hatao. So this is the Nara of fifth plan. That comes under again the leadership of Mrs. Gandhi, Indira Gandhi. So Garibi Hatao, eradication of poverty, employment and justice, and self-reliance. Okay, so focused on agricultural rural development, recognizing importance, achieve a goal, goals of poverty removal and reliance. So these are the important things. So guys, one point I missed is that just remember they may ask you this one: which plan faced the elevation of Bangladesh as an independent state? So the answer would be fourth plan, 1971 Indo-Pak War, which gives the